Hi everyone, it's Yanami and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create step by step this fun but easy to do makeup look. Hit notification bell for updates and subscribe for future makeup tutorials. I'm a working makeup artist and a beauty influencer and I hope to help you to master your makeup skill. Today's look will be so much fun to wear, it will be sparkling every time you move. Let's jump into tutorial. We'll create flag shape with the help of sticky tape. It's from craft store, it's a little bit more gentle on the eyes than regular tape, but it never hurts to take a couple of layers of glue off by sticking it to your hand and back. Make sure it's sticking pretty good so you will have beautiful sharp line. Next I will take eyeshadow base primer. I have Ulta one, it's pretty good and it will make your eyeshadows pop way much more. It will make your blend easier and it will also make eyeshadow last way much longer. You need little tiny amount of it. I use Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette for my blues. It's pretty good eyeshadow palette but it will pop way much more with eyeshadow primer. I'm focusing on packing my blue eyeshadow on top inner corner. I want the more intensity on the edges of my flag. I want blue slightly fade into red, so I will use really light hand. Dream Street Color Pop eyeshadow palette, one of my favorites. I will use red from it. And again, just as with blue, I'm packing the most on outer corner and slightly fading it. For next step, I will take black waterproof eyeliner to define my top waterline. Check out description, it's really good price for it on Amazon right now. On the bottom waterline, I will just define corners with black and I will fill the middle with bluish eyeliner. I don't know how to find this brand in the US, but you can use any blue eyeliner or whatever you feel like. That is LA Girl Pro Foundation White. It's also really great for mixing your foundation to get your shade lighter if you'd like. And I'm using a brush from Nail Art, says that I will list in the description as well. And when I messed up, I'm using the other brush that has finer bristles to redefine red spots. The most satisfying moment of ripping it off for some reason. And next I'm using NYX Glitter Primer. It helps to stick your glitters or like art like the stars, and it does not give you feeling like you're wearing something on your eyes. It's really good for it. I will use sequin keys that I got from Amazon and this little thing to pinch the stars and stick them on. This goes also in this nail art set. So handy, I'm so happy I got it. And the last star is done. I will use blue Maybelline mascara to show my blue color a little bit more, to bring more attention to my fake contact lenses and to make them pop. And black mascara on the top, it will help my false lashes stick up a little bit better. And this is Tatti lashes that I got from my Mitchell masterclass. It was so good. They look so good and they way much more effortless than you think they would be. Maybelline Total Temptation I like a lot for everyday use. It takes no time at all to draw a whole new brow or just spot correct your own brow. And price is really good as well. I decided to draw my lips all over and I'm using Stila Stay All Day eyeliner. It's nice, I'm not sure about staying all day, but it's a pretty nice color, I like it a lot. And here is my favorite. This is Sephora Cream Lip Stain in 01. It has such a good longevity. It will not transfer all over, or if it will be just like light transferring. I will use Maybelline Master Home Highlighter in Rose Gold, and I use it from my Z palette. And the whole look is finished. As you see, you have something extra and you will look stunning as no one else. I will take Accomplished Concealer, Sephora Lipstick, Daisy case from my color contacts, and all links to the products you will find in the description below. Oh, I forgot my phone, of course, as usually. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like if you'd like this video, comment down below any questions. I will be really happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching it till the end, and I hope to see you soon in next makeup tutorials. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye.